Hi everyone, I'm Mary, and I'm going to show you how to make my scary spice pumpkin soup. For this delicious soup, you'll need 2 pounds of fresh pumpkin, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 4 cups of vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste. First, peel and chop the pumpkin into small cubes. In a large pot, heat some olive oil, then add the onion and garlic. Saute tilde copyright until they're soft and translucent. Now, it's time for the magic. Add the cumin, cinnamon, nutmeg, and allspice. These are my scary spices that will bring out the flavors of the season. Next, toss in the pumpkin cubes and pour in the vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle boil. When the pumpkin is soft, use an immersion blender to puree the soup until it's smooth. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, my scary spice pumpkin soup. This soup is not just delicious, it's a warm hug from the season. I hope you enjoy it as much as we do. Perfect for those chilly October nights. Give it a try and embrace the flavors of the season. Cheers to a warm and spicy October. Happy Halloween!
Alright, thanks for watching the TheApang18. Just want to let you know to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell. We're going to try to do a really good job this year. You can also follow us on social media, which is my Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. You can also check out my portfolio website for more information.
Coming up next, TheApang18. We'll be right back. Keep it here.